What's up, guys? In this video, I am going to show you how to add page numbers in Google Docs. So let's get right into it. Head over to Insert and Page Numbers. Here you will have two options for your page numbers. Use the right side option if you don't have a cover page, with the top option being for the header and the bottom option for the footer. If you do have a cover page, you'll want to use one of the options on the left side. In this example, I do have a cover page, so I'll use the top option on the right side. You'll see that the page numbers start on the next page. If you don't have a cover page, use the option on the left side. And your page numbers will start from the first page, which is the cover page in this example. If you want the page numbers on the footer, choose one of the bottom options. Here you'll see the page numbers on the footer. And that's it, guys. How to add page numbers in Google Docs. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe. See you guys on the next one.